I've been saying in my videos, like, you have to watch the market from your key zones. You understand me? And some people ask me, what are these key zones you keep on talking about? These are the support and resistance zones. These are the supply and demand zone. And also it can be an order block zone. You understand me? But most people do use support and resistance zones. And this happened yesterday. There is one guy, I've never met him. He sent me a screenshot and he told me I've lost around $100 yesterday, Friday, but you have to be very cautious on Friday. And so he told me the market was really moving in a way he did not understand. And so I told him, kindly send me your setup. I really want to see where you went wrong. And I found that this particular guy was stopped out the support and resistance. These are the zones you can easily lose your money. So I told him, you have to really know support and resistance zones, and for you to execute any order, you must have confirmation, especially on these key zones. You don't just execute orders simply because it is on support and resistance levels. Oh no, you have to have various confirmation that you should consider before taking any trade. So he understood what I meant, but basically there is a lot you have to learn on these key levels. Number one, you must know to draw them correctly. So I also noted he didn't draw those key levels correctly simply because where he thought it was the support zone, it was not a support zone. You understand me? So you must also know the trend of the market, because also he was buying against the trend. You cannot trade a pullback yet you are not experiencing the market. And so guys, I've come up with this amazing indicator. The reason why we use indicator, I do tell you guys, is to help you simplify VIX in Forex trading. It will help you know the right time to execute your orders. Like for instance, when you tell somebody, I want you to draw your support and resistance zones, you'll be shocked. They have been in the market for over 3 years and they have never known how to draw these key levels. By the way, this really hurts me because these are the things you should have on your fingertips. You get me? And so guys, I have come up with this solution. I know it will help someone. It's actually one of the best indicators that shows you the support and resistance zone on your tradingview.com. And so guys, I welcome you to Money Close the Forex Education YouTube channel. If you come across my channel for the very first time, kindly join us by subscribing to this channel. These are great family, and I believe and I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. So guys, let's get right into this amazing video and I show you exactly how this indicator works. It works on all time frames, but I will show you exactly what you should pay attention to, simply because when you see these levels being drawn, they are actually the most crucial levels, and simply because these levels do not expire. If you found your resistance zone over here, it will remain to be the key levels. You always see, even after 10 years, 20 years, when the market gets to this level, it has to react. Either it breaks the level or it proceeds to the upside. So let's say it's broken and the market proceeds upward. Later in life, when the market comes back to this level, it will react to the level. So we don't have invalid level like support and resistance zones in Forex. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like this video as you watch, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so guys, let's go to tradingview.com and have our indicator here with us, and so we show you how to use it correctly, and definitely I know it will help you and maybe you'll be able to execute your orders properly. So guys, you're going to click on indicators right here. Once you click on indicators, you're going to type support and resistance. You can write it in full: support, resistance. Don't put the name support and resistance. I've said support, resistance. And so we're going to use the first one, which is support resistance channel. So the owner is Lonesome, the blue. So you're just going to click on it. Once you click on it, definitely, wow, it will show you what you have to know. And so guys, believe me, this is actually support and resistance levels who already been drawn by our indicator. Yesterday was on Friday. I'm making this video on Saturday. The market has really been rejecting this zone over here. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you are a smart trader and the indicator has already shown you these are rejection, you should be looking for confirmation like the BOS. When any structure is broken right here, you execute your order right away. And so it shows you, okay, the areas highlighted in red color, it shows you should be looking for a selling opportunity, and the areas highlighted in green color, it shows you should execute your buy order. So let's say, for instance, price breaks below the green highlighted area, this will definitely be a breakout, you understand me? But it shows you at this zone over here, look for buying opportunity. So basically wait for a confirmation right here and execute your order. And you can see, guys, we have weeks. Simply means there is rejection of lower prices and there is a possibility of the market reversing to the upside. But definitely I will tell you, even these zones over here do guide you to take your profits and also to cut your losses. I will show you how to cut losses. Let's say you are a beginner, I understand, and took your buy order right here simply because you saw this momentum candle and you said, oh, it will push to the upside. You know, my father is the market maker and I should execute my order simply because it will push to the upside. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Let's say you took your buy order. I'm just giving an example, and you like it will push upwards and then it reverses and then it got this level over here and then it gives you a red indication that shows you the market is actually pushing to the downside, and you can see the candle closes below, and so you're holding your orders. Come on. You should exit your order right away. Wait for another confirmation and execute your orders, okay? That's the importance of this indicator. And how does this indicator help us to take our profits? Let's say I executed my order right here, and so I will target this zone over here to be my take profits. But if I get a sell confirmation, I will proceed with the selling order, and I will target this zone over here. If I see confirmation, I will target this zone, and I'll be out. But this works well if you know what you're really doing in Forex trading. Honestly, you don't have to execute your sell order right here. You must have confirmation. For instance, if all this kind of closes below this green line over here, you can consider taking your sell order. But it haven't, simply because the market is being rejected severally at this zone over here. So you should look for buying opportunity. You understand me? So guys, that's the importance of this indicator. One of the best indicators that you can help you for your support and resistance zones. That the most crucial thing you must know in Forex trading. But the most important thing is knowing where the candlestick is closing it. So for instance, right here, it shows you when price crosses above this level over here, you should continue with your buying opportunity. But this candle over here, it pushed upwards, then it was rejected, and it closed below the lines drawn over here. You can really see once it closed below, the market really pushed to the downside. And remember, there is a red identification that for sure you should look for your selling opportunity. Guys, let me tell you, if you know Forex, honestly, money will just flow simply because you know how the market moves, you know everything. So I have been listening to you guys, and if you want me to mentor you, if you want me to open your eyes in Forex trading, comment down below. I will definitely help people and understand this thing, because let me tell you, some times ago, I decided to check on Facebook. I don't know what I was looking. I saw one Forex group and people are complaining how they're losing money in Forex. They are really losing money. But when you see their analysis, you say, oh my God, this is strange, because this purely shows that this person is not knowledgeable. Okay, if you want me to help you, comment down below. So guys, I wish you nothing but the best. The strategy remains the same. You can check this from the higher time frames, like 1 hour time frame. The same thing applies. You understand me? So always consider this. It works well in all time frames. So like here, it shows you this is a resistance level over here, and so you should look for buying opportunity. And so guys, you can see there is wide rejection, and once there is such kind of a rejection, execute your order, and definitely you make a lot of money, a lot of money. You understand me? So here there is a realization, and so you should look for your selling opportunity. The only thing you need is confirmation. When you identify such kind of a thing, go to lower time frames and look for confirmation, like the candlestick patterns, break of structure, momentum, you know, such things, and you definitely make money. Even if it's $10 a day, that's okay for a start. Okay, let's go to 4 hours time frame. I want you to see these things works the same, and as you look closely, you find that this indicator draws areas that have already been rejected severally. You understand? It's not just doing it like repainting or anything. It does it perfectly. You understand me? So guys, look at what it's doing right here. All these areas are rejected. Okay, so you can use this to scalp, you can use this to day trade, and also to swing trade. But remember, you have to practice this. Practice makes perfect. Even if you hear me giving you strategies, honestly, you have to practice so that you can understand it on your own way. Okay, so guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Kindly work hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Don't give up. So guys, bye, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, bye guys.